Hello and good day. Current vehicle is BMW i8 Roadster and we have replaced its starting battery. Current battery installed is Varta. This one right here is the board which was unclamped. Currently we are going to plug in the scanner to check all the fault codes and register battery replacement. Now the system is scanning all the fault codes. We are going to clear them. These are raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. Once they are cleared, we are going to register the battery replacement and vehicle is good to go. As you can see, all of the fault codes are now cleared. As you can see, now we are going to register battery exchange. As you can see, the battery is registered. Now we are going to start the vehicle and check the voltages. As you can see, the vehicle is now turned on and good to go. Thank you for watching Vajitsons. Please click on the subscribe button to see all the latest videos.